how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.
On the dry, and there's no chance for any chemicals to contaminate anything. It's beautiful, yeah.
Goodbye, pocket dog.
It's got a little issue. Oh my god.
You ready for my video?
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. Well, fuck.
Shorten these wires up a little bit.